All right, we have done so much glitter on this girl. It's unbelievable. We're moving off of her face. We've done her hair, her lashes, her lips, everything. We're going to move down into the body. I like using aqua colors a lot. And very simply just putting down, let's just do a fun little, kind of a little fun little dooley dad here. Maybe a little bit tribal looking tattoo thing going here. Just paint in your design. And then we're going to just kind of add a lot of glitter onto this and make it really, really fun. Just make sure it's dark enough so the glitter shows off. That's the main thing. Okay, and also I want to get in there before it gets too dry. I'm going to use this nice multicolored glitter. Sorry. And just go in and just press it right into the tattoo that we just drew. And just keep putting it right wherever it's wet. It should adhere fine. You could actually use a couple different colors of glitter if you wanted to. Let's pull a little bit of red in here too. And then we're going to go and we're going to actually finish this with a little bit of a spray and do a finishing spray on this one. Great.